Alright, okay, so this is the fifth update of ProjectSpy. Well, it's my fifth update. A lot of things have changed since the fourth update, so I'm just going to be going through and updating you on a lot of those thingies. So, first and foremost, this right here, I introduced a bug a little bit ago that removed the inventory name from showing up here. So that stopped working, but I've gone back and fixed it. So now it does show what inventory I'm looking at. So if I go over here, it shows that I'm looking at the container, and here it shows I'm looking at my inventory. Okay, next I guess I will show this this door function. So this door right here, I can interact with. I'm going to add a tooltip basically that pops up and lets you know when you're within the radius to open the door that you can open the door. I just haven't done that yet. So yeah, this is just a regular door, but now you'll see this one over here. It's not a regular door. This is a lockable door. They look the exact same, so there is going to be some distinguished way to tell that this is a lockable door. Just it's not really that important right now, but yeah, I try to open this and it says I need a key card to open this door, come back when you have it. That's just a debug line. It'll have an actual alert pop up when we get to that phase, but again, this is just a prototype, so it's not in the game yet. So you need a key card to open this door. Thankfully, I've laid out a key card over here. Press E to pick up key card. An enemy key card used to gain access to places that were previously locked to you. So now that we have this in our inventory, it's just as simple as going up to the door and opening it. Now we can interact with it as much as we want because we have that key card. I think I'll probably introduce like limited use key cards at some point, but I just don't have those in yet. So yeah. This right here is now has the support to remove things from a container, and it puts it in my inventory. Then we can pick up another thing, and it'll stack on top of that since that was the same item. Let's see, what else do I have to update on? Oh yeah, tooltips. I already showed it a second ago. But yeah, now when you hover over an item in the inventory, it'll give you information about that item. So if we pick that up, then it tells us that it's a hack tool. Use this tool to hack into the security camera system of your enemies, which I can then right-click that, and it is now equipped on my person. So I've added now the feature so that you can just equip an item to your character and then use it. And if I were to have another one of those or another equipable item, trying to equip one of them would just unequip the one that I currently have active. But yeah, now that I have that equipped, there's not a way to tell that it's equipped yet, so I still need to add that in. But it is equipped, and if I press Q, it's going to open it up. It's a camera hack tool. It's not finished yet, so that's why it looks like garbage, because it's not supposed to look pretty yet, because it's not done. So that'll be finished very soon, actually. But for right now, it's not done, so take what you get. Let's see. I know there's something else on here. Oh yeah, so I've added in more functionality for the health. There's a whole new health component. So before it was very basic. It was literally just like a single float value that determined the player's health. But now there's like a component that goes into it and detects a bunch of like things. Like for example, if the player runs out of health, they'll open up a death screen instead of just deleting the character like I previously had it. So I will demonstrate that in a moment because now we can actually take damage from enemies. So I will demonstrate that in a second. After I finish covering this, which we had an issue where it would like these cameras right here. Oh, buddy, please, not right now. The cameras were essentially creating an FPS issue, um, which just constantly was causing the game to run at a low FPS because they were all consistently updating at all times. And so it was lagging a lot. So I've updated it so that that doesn't happen now. Um, and yeah, so now I'll show you the rest of this health thing. So you've seen I've already lost half of my health, so we're just gonna quickly use some items here. So I'm up to 80 health. That happens now. And this guy's gonna shoot me. He's shooting me, and boom, I have died. Game over. So now I can choose to restart the level or I can quit the game. But for right now, we are going to end because that is where this update ends. So thank you for tuning in to see this development update on ProjectSpy, and I will have another update ready whenever I do. I no longer am being held to do these by class, but I still plan on doing them because me and my other developer friends are going to be continuing this project past this class. So stay tuned.